Hi, folks. Welcome. Happy Monday. In hopes that you squeezed more out of your day than the day squeezed out of you. I am Sean Azimi with SideGigSean.com, where I help you look, start, and grow your side business. Welcome. I finally got on. I'm not really sure what was going on. I couldn't go on. But welcome. Good to see you. So I got a pretty cool little story for you. Those of you who are new to my lives, welcome. Those of you who are vets, you know that I love telling stories, especially if it's a true story. I got a real good true story for you. And I hope you get value from it. Nicole, what's going on? How are you? Welcome. Good to see you. So, you don't usually. It's very difficult to get the nickname master, like in any field, right? Brad, what's happening? So even in like martial arts or in sports, if you're called a master, you're a gangster, right? You know what time it is. You know what's going on. So there's a story about Eddie Arcaro, and if you don't know who that is, he was nicknamed the Master Jockey. Now, they don't give that name just to like everybody. Well, this guy, he was actually born premature. He was born at 3 pounds. And at his best, he grew to be about 5'2" tall. Not a very big dude, right? And at one point, he tried out for baseball, and they turned him down. They said, you don't have it in you. Like, you're not good. You may want to give this up. So at an early age, he really loved horses and taking care of them and riding and all this stuff. At a very early age, I think he was, I want to say 14, 15, 16, right around there. Jenny, how are you? Welcome. Good to see you. So right around 14, 15, 16, somewhere around there. No, a horse jockey story. Eddie Arcaro. So around 14, 15, 16, I think he started. He started to race. I think it was 1931. He started to do his first. Yes, good to see you. His first race. Now, he lost his first race in 1931. In fact, he lost another 249 races after that. Did you hear what I said? He lost 250 races in a row until he won his first championship, right? Now, altogether, he was inducted to the Hall of Fame of riding. He had ended up winning the most amount of races in the history of horse racing ever. And that, I think he has won over 4,700 races. He won the Triple Crown twice out of 17 times that he raced. He won it twice, and that's the reason why they gave him the nickname Master. What an incredible journey. What an incredible story for perseverance and not giving up and staying with it, right? I mean, would you stick around as a horse jockey or anything if your first 250 races you stunk? Gloria! Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you circle back, watch the beginning, because I think you will like it. Would you? I mean, would you stick around in the race after race after race after race? Imagine the mindset of somebody who's lost, like, let's say 10 races and goes to his 11th race, right? Let's say somebody that lost 60 races and is going into his 61st race. What's the mindset like? Okay, what if somebody lost like 122 races in a row? What's the mindset of that person going to his 123rd race? Okay. What if somebody lost 240 races in a row? You feel me? Like, at what point would you say, you know what, maybe this racing thing isn't for me? And then you do one more race. You do one more race. And then one more race. And then you end up in the Hall of Fame. You end up winning 4,700 races. You end up winning the Triple Crown twice and are nicknamed Master. What if you would have quit at race 11, 50, 71, 122, 198? What if you were to quit on race 239? What about 249? I mean, just one more race, and you lose that one too. And then your 251st race is you win your first race. Sometimes it's so easy. I was actually thinking about that today. By the way, I have news. We know when I am going to, well, we know when we are going to air that interview with me, right? Yeah. Right. The interview that we did with me, with Dr. Netta in the white seat with Dr. Netta, we're gonna air it on September 7th. Not this Thursday coming, but the following Thursday. So it'll be fun times. I'm actually kind of nervous because I do all the teasers and editing and the music. So watching my own interview, I've never done, by the way, I've never rewatched one of my lives ever. No, I don't remember ever watching one of my lives. But so watching my own interview and just like rewatching it and taking out clips, it's gonna be fun times for sure. So I digress. So September 7th, got a real interesting interview that I'm going to be doing teasers for starting tomorrow. We're going to post this Thursday. This dude is the man, dude. This guy is so cool. This guy, I'm telling this guy is cool. I'm done with the teasers. We're going to post them. So anyway, I digress. Totally digress. So let's come back to the story, but it's so, I was thinking about that today when I was, thinking about these stories and these interviews. That's how I got there. So it's so easy, the word easy. And you guys know I'm very, very careful where I use the word easy versus the word simple. Two big differences. But it's so easy to give up. It's so easy to throw in the towel. It's so easy not to do it again. It's so easy not to do another race. It's so easy not to work out again. It's so easy not to call another prospect. It's so easy not to follow up. Like, it's so easy not to read that book. It's so easy not to listen to a podcast. It's like so easy, like not even take your own products. It's like it's so easy. You just don't do it. It's so available. It's so ready. It's so right there. It's so easy not to go for one more. It's so easy. It's not that hard. It's the other way. It's doing the one more that's hard. Everything else is easy. Giving up is easy. Not taking the other race is easy because then you don't have to train for it. You don't have to deal with the people that say, hey man, you've lost like a lot of races already. You've been in this game for a long time already. What results do you have to show? It's kind of the same, right? So it's so easy to say, you know what? Yeah. So easy to just drop the mic and just like, wrap it up and say, that's the last call, folks. Right? It's so easy. It's so easy. And that is the reason why so many people do it. That's the whole thing. It's so easy to quit and give up and throw in the towel and all this stuff. And that's why so many people do it, because people do the easy. Right? So for this guy, for our good old boy, Eddie, to be born 3 pounds, premature, and 5'2", and then losing 250 races, but just keep going. Just forget about, like, it's so easy to say, oh, well, he lost 250 races in a row, right? Or so easy to say Sylvester Stallone did 1,500 auditions in a row and got a no. It's so easy to say that. But think about it, okay? Just think about it. Think about the mindset of the person that is lost over and over and over and over. I mean, this goes on like 1,500 times for Sly. It goes 250 times for Eddie. Imagine the mindset of that person still carrying themselves to get into that mindset, to go one more and then face another failure. And then prepare that mindset to do it again. And imagine, again you fail. And then you prepare that mindset again, and you go in again, and boom. That's amazing. Don't you think these people deserve to win? I think they deserve to win. I think they deserve to win, right? And we can agree that what they're doing is simple. I mean, yeah, that's what they, yeah, that's what it takes to win, right? So the next time, I mean, there's so many stories like this. I got a few stories that I've lined up. I haven't told stories in a few days, so I've lined up a few stories. So I hope you guys got some value from this. There's so many stories that we can withdraw from. Oscar, my boy, what's up? Hopefully you circle back, watch the replay, because I'm about to wrap this up. But hopefully you guys got some value, some inspiration from this. There's so many stories you can extract so much stuff from that it's just priceless, right? So hopefully you guys get some love, some inspiration, some value from this. Drop one takeaway. Come on now. One takeaway in the comments below. Let this feed grow. The interview with me will be airing on September 7th. That's a Thursday. Probably 7 p.m., maybe 5 p.m. Let's see what happens. I think we're doing the show at 7 p.m. And this week we got another guy I'm gonna popping up on Thursday. Watch out for the teasers tomorrow. The YouTube channel is In the White Seat with Dr. Neda, Neda. You don't follow me on YouTube, I have no idea why you don't. Do it. Sidekick Sean. So simple. And with that, I hope you guys got some love, some inspiration, some value from this. Oh, that's cool, Gloria. You know, there's a delay with the comments, so I don't see them. Like when you write them, I don't think I see them right away. I went to an interview with some hot wings and how it. You know, I like my wings hot. Oh, let's go, baby. Let's do this. You know where to find me. So with that, if you feel like this is worthy of sharing, do what you gotta do. Spread the love. Tag a couple people. You know. And I am Sean Azimi with SideGigSean.com, where I help you look, start, and grow your side business. Signing off until tomorrow when we do it all over again. Much love.